Best practices for Afterpay API integration is crucial for a seamless and secure payment experience. First, understand the basics of Afterpay API, which enables merchants to offer buy now pay later options to their customers. To start the integration process, register for an Afterpay merchant account and obtain the necessary API keys and credentials. Ensure to handle these credentials securely, using environment variables or a secrets manager to avoid hardcoding them in your code. Next, choose the right API endpoints for your integration. Afterpay provides various endpoints for different use cases, such as tokenization, payment processing, and order management. Familiarize yourself with the API documentation and select the endpoints that align with your business requirements. When implementing the API integration, follow best practices for error handling and logging. Implement try-catch blocks to catch and handle errors, and log API responses for debugging and auditing purposes. This will help you identify and resolve issues quickly, ensuring a smooth payment experience for your customers. Additionally, ensure compliance with security and regulatory requirements, such as PCI DSS and GDPR. Use secure communication protocols like HTTPS and TLS to encrypt data in transit, and implement access controls and authentication mechanisms to protect sensitive data. To handle payments and refunds, use the Afterpay API to create payment tokens and process payments. Ensure to validate customer information and payment details to prevent errors and disputes. For refunds, use the API to initiate refund requests and update order status accordingly. Finally, test your integration thoroughly to ensure it works as expected. Use sandbox environments and test cases to simulate different scenarios, such as successful payments, declined payments, and refunds. This will help you identify and fix issues before going live, providing a seamless payment experience for your customers. By following these best practices and guidelines, you can ensure a successful Afterpay API integration, providing a secure and seamless payment experience for your customers. Remember to stay up to date with the latest API documentation and security requirements to maintain a compliant and efficient integration.